Hi guys, welcome to MakeupClasses.com. I'm Dawn Maloney and today is Makeup Tip Monday, number 19. Allow anti-shine products to dry before applying any type of makeup. There really is an art and a science when it comes to applying and layering product. There are 3 key points makeup artists when using anti-shine or primer-like products. Remember that these products are used to help the foundation and other makeup adhere to the skin properly. Number 1, understand formulation. It's really important for you to read ingredients, read the bottle, read the packaging, and know what is in the product that you're using, and also how to actually use the product. Directions work, so make sure that you check them out and follow what the company is suggesting. The second thing that I suggest is that you consult with other makeup artists and learn. So check out YouTube channels, other tutorials that explain how to use specific products, watch demonstrations, and if you work in the industry, talk to other makeup artists and get a feel for the product. Ask them, what do you think about this? How long does it take to dry? Does it mix well with other formulas? Remember, some makeup formulas do not work with other makeup formulas. So if you get the feedback from other people, you'll actually be saving yourself a lot of heartache and mistakes. And finally, experiment and practice. The only way you truly learn makeup artistry, makeup artists, is by doing it. So by using your anti-shine products, trying them out, see what type of timing it requires for these products to melt into the skin and work with the foundation that you're going to be using. The more that you practice with your products and you experiment, you start to learn about how they work, what they do, and what they don't do. How does a primer or anti-shine product benefit you? How much time does it take to dry? Does it adhere properly? Is it sticky? Does it work with certain formulas? The only way for you to actually see for yourself and feel for yourself is if you practice and experiment. Well guys, I hope today's Makeup Tip Monday helped. Drop me a line down below and let me know if you have had any challenges using anti-shines or primers and what your experiences have been. Have you tried different formulas and they haven't quite worked out? Have you seen that timing does matter, that things have to dry and set properly before they actually do the job they're supposed to do? I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to like and subscribe and do all those great things here on YouTube. We are so happy that you're part of this new growing makeup education channel. See you next time on MakeupClasses.com. Bye everyone.